Give it to me like.
Good morning everybody and sa mga care and volunteers natin. Can I hear a clap over there? Thank you so much for supporting our first ever corporate social responsibility activity. Good morning mga teachers. Hindi ko pa kayo nakakausap at naman magsisikal tayo. Thank you so much for all your support and Sir Benji. Ito na yata yung pinakabatang principal na nakita ko ever in my life. So thank you for supporting. So I was invited to speak in front of everybody to give some inspirational message down. So learners, I know you guys are grades 11 and 12, tama ba? So when you get into the corporate world, there is always activities like this. So hindi kayo dapat na-afraid na puro work lang. Right? So, kasi we were introduced in a setup dati na ang work mo ay 8 to 5, ang work mo ay 9 to 6, ang work mo ay 10 to 7, and it's all pure work. Pero now, as the corporate world evolves, there's always been a great chance of adding some fun at work. And one of this is this one, the activity. Now, we call them fun at work, pero there is a purpose behind it. Okay, so now, what we are targeting, ang ginugol namin dito, is to increase the employment rate of our Iloilo learners. And we have chosen RG Hechanova High School to be part of those school na pwede namin i-support. So, paano namin yung gagawin? So, bilang kami, mga matagal na, bilangan ng edad. Mga matatagal na sa industriya, i-share namin yung mga activities namin, mga good advices, conscious, mga ganun bagay on how to make your lives better when you graduate. Alright? So looking back, no, sabi nga inspirational message daw, sabi ni Chris. So looking back, noong panahon ko, wala namang call center. Walang call center. And hindi naman sa pinapagalitan ko yung mga elders noon, no? Dati ang call center are very treated and not really accepted na magandang job. Why? Because people will always say na, bakit ka nag-call center? Sinayang mo lang yung pag-aaral mo dahil a-answer ka lang ng phone dyan and then ganun-ganun lang. Okay, pero kasi I am a graduate nurse. I am a graduate medical technology student. I was supposed to take sa medical field of the doctor, dapat ako OBGYN. But of course, hindi naman lahat ng gusto natin nakukuha. So ganun bagay. So there are a lot of things na nangyari that I needed to support my family at that time. And one of the highest paying job is call center. Dati pag naka 15,000 ka, masaya ka na nun, di ba? 12,000, masaya ka na nun. So, I entered into the BPO industry and yun nga, ang hirap pala. Kasi, hindi naman tayo nag-English sa bahay, hindi naman tayo nag-English sa school. Well, siguro sa English classes, but it's not our first language, sabi nga nila, diba? Hindi naman yung pag-isig mo, good morning, mom, hindi ka naman ganun diba? So, when you enter into the BPO industry, it's a whole new world, sabi nga nila, diba? Hindi siya yung typical job that you would just talk to people and all that. The field that we got in here is how to speak English. Kasi if it's Tagalog, if it's Ilocano, diba? Kayang-kaya mo makipagsalitaan sa mga tao eh. But, dahil yung English siya, and we are not really articulate and elaborate on how to speak our minds in English, hindi siya ganun kasimple. But, this industry will really hone you. Why? Because there's a the job, may mga training yan. May American Accent Training, may English Training, may mga examinations. Hindi natatapos ang exams sa school, ha? Ang exams are always there as a toll gate to make sure that you are learning every time. So, yun nga, nag-training ako, and then ang daming pang sa challenge ba, or pangungutya at that time, because dapat na magdodoktor ako eh. There were people that were saying na, oh, sinayang mo lang yung knowledge mo dyan in your 5 years in college, kasi nagpo-call center ka lang. Lang is the term. Eh, kaya lang, I needed money at that time eh. Diba? So, wala. Hayaan mo na. So, people are bashing me. Sasabihin nila na, nagpapakapagod ka dyan, anong nakukuha mo dyan? Okay, but I got what I am needing at that time, which is the money to support my sister. So, long story short, umiyak ako on my first call, the usual feelings na nararamdaman ng mga call center employee here. Umiyak ako on my first call kasi hindi ko alam paano basta ganun. And then, may mga trainings pa din and they will not leave you behind. So may yung mga team leads nyo, like the team leads that are here, the operations that are here, our main goal in this industry is to really teach the employees. Okay, mentor them on how to be better than yesterday. Mentor them on how to speak candidly or speak with knowledge to the people kung nasaan mang lugar sila ng mundo. Okay? And also, kung paano gumising sa gabi. Okay? Kasi pang gabi si Carlon eh. Carlon is a graveyard shift. But since we've been doing this for the longest time, maling-mali na lang, mga 5 kape lang. Every day. So yun. At that time, my purpose is just to really get money. 1, 2, 3 years, yun lang. Sweldo lang. Wala akong pakialam sa isa. But I find purpose in